A little goes a long way. So many of us wonder what we can do to clean up our planet. Well, the answer is much simpler than we think. If everyone helps to keep their own neighbourhood clean, they are helping the planet too. Here are some easy tips to make your neighbourhood a cleaner place. 1. Don't use cars. Cars give out harmful gases, so try to use your bicycle or public transport to get around. For short distances, you can also walk. It's not only good for the environment, it's good for your body. 2. Reuse and recycle. Try to think of another way to use the item that you are going to throw away. If you can't reuse it, recycle it. 3. Organise a town clean-up. You can organise a clean-up day in your neighbourhood. Ask your neighbours and your friends to join you and clean up the rubbish from the parks and the streets in your area. 4. Plant flowers and trees. Plant flowers and trees to make your neighbourhood more beautiful. Trees also give us oxygen, so it makes our air cleaner too. 5. Set an example. You should always set a good example. If you see rubbish on the ground, pick it up and throw it in a bin. If people see you doing this, they might do it too.